everybody, welcome back to another video on sneakers unboxing with Moy, and today we're going to be unboxing the Air Force One in the popcorn colorway. So let's get to it. So here's the box. It's super long for some reason, but you already know we got the Supreme knife. We do that in every video, so let's get to it. Here we are opening the box, and this is the top of the box. I assume it's an all white box. Can't really tell, but it's all, the letters are gloss, and then the box is just a matte. But let's take it out. Okay, so on the bottom of your box you have the Nike logos, from the swoosh to Nike Air and all that, and then on the sides we have Nike. This is the top again, Nike. On the back, same as well. And on the front we have our sizing and the colors. So the sizing is a size 9 and the colors are coconut milk and white. It gives you the little sticker of not to put near children from 0 to 3 years of age. So let's see how these look. So our wrapping paper is red and white, like if you were to find it in a traditional like movie theater popcorn cup or bucket. So it's a nice style. So going into the shoe, we have more wrapping paper. It's just white. Here's the shoe. Damn, you smell good. And we have a white Nike swoosh on both sides of the uppers. We have white laces with the gold aglets, and then we have like a creamy color for the sole and the uppers, but the midsole is white. And on the tongue it says Nike Air Force One, but also with the popcorn bucket details. And then on the sides of the shoe it says fresh since '82. So that's a nice little detail on this Air Force One. And it's basically just another Air Force. And then on the insoles we have popcorn. Actually, it might be difficult to see, but I'll bring the close-up shots and you guys will be able to see it. And then we have embroidery on the back and it says Nike. I think that's a really nice detail to this shoe, and it should be the same for the other one, but let me just double check. There's nothing else in the box. Okay, and on the left shoe we have a little popcorn little charm, like a chain for the shoe. It's a really nice little detail too, but other than that it's the same for the laces, and then the embroidery, and then fresh since '82, and then the little chain. Okay, so that's pretty much it on this Air Force. There's nothing much else to it. It just mimics the theater aesthetic basically. But other than that, let me get you guys the close-up shots and the on feet, and then we can get to wrapping up the video. So let's get to it. Okay, so that wraps up the video on these Air Force Ones. Let me know what you guys think about this shoe, if you guys would rock, if you guys would drop. But other than that, just let me know what you guys think about it in the comments below, and I'll catch you in the next one.